I will not give up. This is the attitude of go hard that we must have every day. In life, we encounter obstacles and problems, but the most important thing is not to let ourselves be defeated by them. Let's fight with determination and not lose hope. There is no excuse not to try and achieve our goals. There is no limit to how far we can go if we have a strong mind and a positive attitude. Never give up. Go hard and achieve your dreams. Every day, we have a choice to beat ourselves up or to fight. The choice is yours. Choose to move on, get up after every fall and fight for what you really want. Choose to have a positive attitude and see opportunities in every challenge. Choose to focus on solutions, not problems. Choose to be persistent and not be intimidated by failure. There is no excuse not to try and achieve our goals. There is no limit to how far we can go if we have a strong mind and a positive attitude. Never give up. Go hard and achieve your dreams. Remember, failure is just an opportunity to start again with more wisdom. Don't be discouraged by failure. Use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't forget, success is a combination of hard work, perseverance, and belief in yourself. So, never give up. Go hard and achieve your dreams. Don't forget, you are stronger than you think and you can achieve anything you set your mind to with a positive attitude and a strong mind.